Let's take a look at this question 2 on angles on a parallel line. We are asked to find y and also t. And if you look at this question, we have different pairs of parallel lines. This and this is one pair of parallel line, and also this line and this line is another pair of parallel line. And if you are considering this parallel line, this line is now acting as a transversal to this pair of parallel line. And from our previous class, we said that corresponding angles are angles that are in the same relative position on two lines that are intersected with a third line called the transversal. And this is now a transversal. So when you look at this angle is in relative position to this angle. Therefore, angle DCE will be equal to 24 degrees. Corresponding angles. Here will be 24 degrees. And if you look at this angle, to find here, we'll use angle at a point. And angle at a point is also called angle at the vertex. That is, angle formed by two lines or rays that intersect at a single point. And their sum is equal to 360 degrees. So, angle CDE plus this will be equal to 360. CDE plus 324 will be equal to 360 degrees. Angle at a point. Therefore, to find CDE, make this the subject of the formula, which is CDE will be equal to 360 minus 324. This will be equal to 36 degrees. So here now be 36 degrees. We can find this angle. We say that the sum of all the angles in a triangle is equal to 180. With this, we will have angle C, D, and E is equal to 180 plus D plus E is equal to 180, which will now be angle C is 24 plus D 36 plus E is equal to 180. So if we make this angle the subject of formula, we have angle E will now be equal to 180 minus this plus this is equal to 60. So this 180 minus 60 we have 120. So from here, this angle is equal to 120. From here, to find this angle, we can use our vertical opposite angles. This will be equal to this angle. Therefore, angle CDE is equal to angle FEG. CED is equal to FEG. Vertical opposite angles. Therefore, FEG is equal to 120 degrees. From here, we have gotten this angle, which is 120. We can find this angle using the sum of a triangle. Therefore, angle EG and F will now be equal to 180, which will be F plus E plus G is equal to 180, sum of triangle. So we now have 120 plus 11 plus f, which is equal to 180. This plus this, we have 131 plus f is equal to 180. To make f the subject of the formula, f will now be equal to 180 minus 131, which will be equal to 49 degrees. From here, this is now 49 degrees. We can now find our y using angle at a point. This will now be y plus 49 is equal to 360 degrees. That is angle at a point. Therefore, y will now be 360 minus 49, which is equal to 311. That's the value for our y. So let's find our t. From the diagram, we know that this line is supposed to be a transverse line and this line is supposed to be a transverse line. Where they meet, you can draw a line that is parallel to both of these two lines. So we draw a straight line to cut across it. And we have this and this are now parallel. And we know that here is equal to 36, which is this. So this is alternative to this. So from here, we have 36 degrees. So if we are to find this other part, now minus 49 minus 36, which will be 13. So this angle is also alternative to this angle, which is 13. From here, we can find our t using angle at a point. Now be 13 plus t equal to 360. Now t plus 13 is equal to 360 degrees. Therefore, t will now be 360 minus 13, which is equal to 347. So this is our answer to this question. Please click on the subscription button to get more questions on angles on a parallel line. Thank you.